Welcome to Health Medical School. Today we are discuss about male reproductive systems. Objectives at the end of this session: learner will be able to define reproduction, define reproductive system, list the function of male reproductive system, categorize the male reproductive organs into essential organs, accessory organs, location and structures involved in the male reproductive system, describe the structure and function of testis and accessory organs. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which organisms produce offspring by making germ cells called gametes. After the male, sperm cells, unites with female's gametes, secondary oocytes, an event called fertilization. Reproduction. The male and female reproductive organs can be grouped by function. The gonads, testes in male and females, produce gametes and secrete sex hormones. Reproductive system. The male and female's reproductive organs work together to produce offspring. In addition, the female reproductive organs contribute to sustaining the growth of embryos and fetuses. Male reproductive system parts: urinary bladder, vas deferens, prostate gland, corpus cavernosum, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, bulbourethral gland, rectum, penis, corpus spongiosum, urethra, glands of penis, prepuce, foreskin, epididymis, testis, scrotum, seminiferous tubules. Functions of the male reproductive system: the testes produce sperm and the male sex hormones testosterone. The ducts transport, store, and assist in maturation of sperm. The accessory sex glands secrete most of the liquid portion of semen. The penis contains the urethra, a passageway for ejaculation of semen and excretion of urine. Male reproductive system. The organs of the male reproductive system include the testes, a system of ducts, including the epididymis, Ductus Deferens, ejaculatory ducts, and urethra, accessory sex glands, seminal vesicles, prostate, and bulbourethral glands, and several supporting structures including the scrotum and penis. Organs of male reproductive system: testes, system of ductus, epididymis, Ductus Deferens, ejaculatory ducts, accessory sex glands, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulbourethral glands. Supporting structures: penis, scrotum. Testes, paired oval glands, lies in scrotum, 5 cm long, weight 10 to 15 grams. Tunica vaginalis partially covers the testes. Internal to tunica vaginalis is tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea is composed of dense irregular connective tissues. Tunica albuginea forms septa. Septa divides the testes in lobules. Testes, lobules contain seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules contains spermatogenic cell, greater than produce sperm. Sertoli cell supports spermatogenesis. Space between seminiferous tubules are lighting cells or interstitial cells. Lighting cells produces testosterone hormone. Testes, spermatic cord, Ductus deferens. Head, caput, epididymitis, efferent ductule body. Corpus, epididymitis, seminiferous tubule, testis, tail, cauda, epididymitis. Scrotum. It is supporting structure, consists of loose skin, superficial fascia. Septum is made of superficial fascia and muscle tissue called as dartos muscle, cremaster muscle, small band of skeletal muscle. Sperm production requires temperature about 2-3 C below core body temperature. Scrotum, in response to cold weather, cremaster muscle and dartos muscles contracts. Contraction of cremaster muscle moves the testes closer to the body. Exposure to warmth, muscles relax. Sperm, male germ cell. Each day 300 million sperm complete the process of spermatogenesis. Normal range of sperm is 100 to 200 million. It is about 60 micrometers long. Once ejaculated, most sperm do not survive more than 48 hours within female reproductive system. Major parts are head and tail. Acrosome contains enzymes, protease, hyaluronidase. Sperm head, tail, sheath, nucleus, centrioles, mitochondria, flagellum, acrosome, mid-piece, tail. Epididymis. It is comma-shaped, 4 cm long, lies at posterior border of each testes. It is site of sperm maturation. It helps propel sperm to Ductus deferens. It stores sperm. Any stored sperm, if not ejaculated that time, are eventually reabsorbed. Ductus deferens. It is also known as vas deferens. It 45 cm long. Mucosa of Ductus deferens consists of pseudostratified columnar epithelium, lamina propria. Ductus deferens conveys sperm during sexual arousal from epididymis towards the urethra. Any stored sperm, if not ejaculated that time, are eventually reabsorbed. Ejaculatory ducts, 2 cm long. It is formed by the union of duct from seminal vesicles and ampullale ducts deferens ends to urethra. Urethra. It is terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system. It serve passageway for semen and urine. Accessory sex glands. The ducts of the male reproductive system store and transport sperm cells, but the accessory sex glands secrete most of the liquid portion of semen. The accessory sex glands include the seminal vesicles, the prostate and the bulbourethral glands. Seminal vesicles, pouch-like structures, 5 cm long, secrete alkaline fluid, contains fructose, prostaglandins, clotting proteins. Alkaline nature helps to neutralize the acidic environment. Prostate gland, single gland, it secretes milky, slightly acidic fluid, pH 6.5, it contains citric acid, pepsinogen, lysozyme, amylase, seminal plasmin as prostatic fluid, antibiotic, destroy bacteria. Bulbourethral glands, Cooper's gland, paired urethral glands, size of pea, located inferior to prostate gland, secretes mucus. Bulbourethral glands : bladder, vas deferens, pubic bone _ seminal vesicle, prostate _ urethra, penis _ epididymis, testicle _ scrotum, Cooper's gland, anus, rectum, semen. It is mixture of sperm, seminal fluid, prostatic fluid, bulbourethral glands secretions. 2.5. -5 ml each ejaculation, pH 7.2 to 7.7. Penis, it contains urethra, passageway of sperm and urine, it is cylindrical shape, it consists of body, glands, penis, root. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.